Once an administrator has added items to a company's professional or enterprise account, users are able to add them to their assembly bill of material. By adding non-geometric items to the bill of material, the design is communicated more accurately and completely. To add an item, select the Bill of Material tab from the right side of the screen. Click Insert Items at the top of the Bill of Material panel. A new dialog box will appear, and the items can be added. To narrow down the selection, click the Classification drop-down and choose the classification of items. Items can also be filtered through the search box. References can be added to associate the item to geometric instances within the assembly. For example, when adding thread locker, the associated fasteners to which it is applied can be selected as references. Once the items have been selected and their references have been defined, choose Insert. Items that have been inserted show first in the instance list under a separate items category. Clicking Undo will remove these items. Once satisfied with the inserted items, click the green check mark to accept. The items are listed in the BOM table. When items are selected from the instance list or the row is selected in the BOM, any referenced instances dynamically highlight in the graphics area. Items can be edited from the instance list. Right-clicking an item will bring up a context menu, allowing actions to be applied. Editing the item allows the quantity to be changed or references to be added or removed. Suppressing the item temporarily removes it from the BOM. Adding a comment allows a comment to directly reference the item. Deleting the item removes it from the instance list and the BOM. Adding items directly in the assembly provides a more intuitive approach to managing the product structure and negates the need to add them in a separate system. BOMs are made more accurate and complete through the inclusion of these non-geometric entities.